Hey, what's up? Brandon from the Book Me Solid team here. And today I wanted to cover a question about how to customize your follow-up using the Book Me Solid system. And if you wanted to add an additional selfie video or an additional voice recording to your follow-up, you can do so for $200. If you wanted to customize anywhere beyond that, you'll need to upgrade and own the system for life. And to do so, it's just a one-time investment of $4,000. And with that investment, what you're going to get is one-on-one coaching from Chris and I during your first week after purchase for any expert advice you need on the setup piece. Additionally, you're going to get access to our 1-hour masterclass, and this is your ultimate guide to building your own Facebook ads. So if you needed an ISA or an assistant in-house to do all that busy work for you, the masterclass makes it stupid easy for anybody to learn. It's just about 45 minutes, and you can have all of your ads taken care of for life. Along with the upgrade package, you're also going to get access to bulk ads. So you can get a discount on ads as opposed to ordering one by one on the website for $300. And so what those packs of ads look like, you can get a 3-pack for $500, 5-pack for $800, 10-pack for $1,500, or you can have unlimited ads per month for $2,500 a month. So if you have any more questions from me on the customization piece or anything else there, just give us a call at 770-407-6427, or of course, you can always reach us on Facebook Messenger.